This is your SRL, your self-retracting lifeline. When you get these, it's just like your harness. This is your life-saving device. We're gonna inspect this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your cable, you're gonna run it all the way out to the end. You're gonna inspect that both sides look good. It's retracting on its own, it's retracting good. There's no cuts, no frays, no nicks. Check that all the way back in. Once you get it in, you're gonna take it, give it a little tug. Ensure that the locking device is still working. The brake stops, because that's what's gonna stop, lock in, and prevent you from falling. Then you'll come down to your shock pack. You'll inspect your shock pack, make sure the shrink wrap is still good, that it's not pulling out further than what it's supposed to be. This is what's gonna slow the pace of your fall and allow you to fall at a less pressure on your body. You'll come down to your Pelican hook. Your Pelican hook has a fall indicator. There's a shear pin inside here. Whenever someone's fallen with one of these, that shear pin will shear off and this will pop up and you'll see red down here. Once it's red, this has to be taken out of service because someone's fallen. You'll come to your Pelican hook. It has to be a double locking. You'll want to check and make sure that it snaps back freely with no problems. If it's rusted, anything like that, and it's having trouble closing, it's no longer any good. You'll come to your carabiner. You'll want to ensure that your carabiner freely turns and snaps back. You'll want to turn it, ensure that it comes in, and it'll lock on its own. It's very important that it makes sure if it doesn't snap back and lock on its own, it's no longer any good.